Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. On March 3, 2017, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to a local restaurant over reports of a prowler trespassing on the property. Apparently, a woman would stand outside the restaurant and bother customers by trying to sell them random merchandise. Owners of the restaurant had warned them many times and even had them trespassed by HPD.
Come here. Yeah, you. Keep your hands out your pockets for me. Hey. She with you? Hey.
I'm by myself.
Hey. Ma'am.
I'm by myself. She not with me.
Stay right there. Ma'am. Ma'am. Come here. Come here. Put your hands behind your back.
What is it?
Come here. Put your hands behind your back.
No, what is it? What
Come
is
over
it?
here.
What is it?
Come
no,
over
what
here.
is it?
Come
What
over here.
is
We're not
it?
going to play this game.
What is it?
Come
No,
here.
what is it?
What do you have on you?
What is it? I don't have nothing.
Oh, you don't have a blunt that you're dropping?
No, hold on. Hold on. Don't pick
go.
up nobody else.
Over here. Hey, detain him.
Hold on now.
Walk with me.
Hold on now. I didn't have nothing on me.
I saw you drop this. Come on.
No, I ain't have nothing on me.
Let me see that.
Shit, man.
Let me see that now.
I don't have nothing. That's what I'm saying. I don't have anything.
Behind your back. Start resisting.
I ain't resisting.
Stay over here, man. Hey, why'd you throw this? What was in here? I literally watched you throw it. Don't play games with me. You gonna sit here and lie to me? Is that what we're gonna do?
I heard you's a bad.
Is that what we're gonna do? You gonna sit here and lie to me? Right to my face? Saying you aren't doing nothing?
Nah, I'm not with her.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not with her.
You got anything illegal on you?
No, sir.
Don't reach in your
I
pockets.
don't even know that lady, man. I'm not with her. Oh, yes, sir.
Where do you stay at, man?
On Reed Road.
Reed Road?
Yes, sir.
Where you live at now? Are we not going to cooperate?
Yeah.
I'm asking you a question.
Hey, why you don't know how to listen?
All right, let's go here.
You don't know how to listen when I was talking to you?
Number one.
How do y'all know each other?
I don't know her.
Come on now,
I
don't play
promise
this.
I don't ask them people. Timmy Chain be big.
Yeah, they were the ones that were telling me that y'all were together, so why?
No, they don't.
So now they're lying to
I
me?
just bought some food out of there. Come see us out with her. Come on, let's go ask her. I just got through eating out of there. Them, I go in there every day and eat. Now, let's go ask them. They know me. No, that's not mine you put in there. That's hers.
I know.
That's not mine. Ask them. Let them see me.
Put your hands behind your back for me real quick.
Let them see me.
All right, that's what we're going to figure
Yeah,
out.
let's go. Watch when they see me, what they do.
Hey, you're just being detained right now, okay?
Okay, that's good. Let's go talk to them.
Come on.
I know who called them, because they be telling me about them over there. Man, bother.
Who?
The people at Timmy Chain, watch when they see me. Watch when they see me. Let's go. No, that wasn't mine.
Hang out right here.
Okay.
Hey, why don't you just be quiet?
Oh, well, he was talking to me. That ain't.
I know it's not yours.
Okay.
Sit there and be quiet.
Or what? Now, is it a taxi right here or what?
Yeah, it's a Texas ID. I was with him.
See?
I don't got nothing.
Hey, why were you walking away when I was talking to you?
Oh no, I was just walking away because I was finna go to my cousin's house.
You couldn't hear me saying, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am?
Well,
we're gonna
no,
play
it
games.
ain't even.
It's all right. We'll play games. Y'all want to play games? We can play games.
Me, I'm not with her, man.
Hey, was that why you were walking away from me? Because you had that stupid little roach? Is that it? Is that it? Hold on, I'm gonna pull the shop around. Hey, have a seat in the back of his car for me real quick.
Did something wrong. You still won't go ask them people what.
That's where we're going right now.
I'm talking.
He pointed you out. That's where we're going. We'll have a seat. We're going.
Yeah, let them see. Let them see.
Man.
Yeah, let them see.
Hey, pull him around the TV chains for me. I'll take him. Come on, walk with me. Is this your phone or his? Is this your phone or his? Your phone, is this your Metro card too? All right, come on. Actually, you know what? Come here. Hey, she don't have no weapons on her. Just do me a favor. Just run her over to Timmy Chan's real quick. They were walking away whenever I pulled up, so we're gonna go over here and see what they want to do.
Oh, okay.
This is her stuff. Sit in the back. It's too early for this. She was like walking away from me. Calling her, she threw a bag. Nah. Hey, where's your ID at? Do you have an ID?
Yeah, my ID in that bag. Oh, you got it?
It's in that bag.
Okay.
You got it? All right.
You go ahead and sit down.
Hey, what was in that bag that you threw? That plastic baggie. Watch yourself.
46-year-old Tracy Heslip was arrested on one misdemeanor case of criminal trespassing. Just 2 days later, she pled guilty and was sentenced to 6 days in Harris County Jail. This was still early in her criminal career, and if you want to see her full evolution into madness, check out the suggested video in the top right corner of your screen.
What's up, man? Hey, we got both of them. You talking about the heavy set lady?
Yeah, both of
with
them.
the purple pants and the white shirt?
Yeah,
her and then the other dude?
And that's the dude.
Okay.
Right here, they come in and sell CD. The man telling them, don't come on the property. You think it's stuff. He tell me.
Y'all already warned them?
Police come here last week for him, right here. And he tell the police a lot of bullshit, and the police say, man, look, don't go back on the property. I just come, 2 of them stand up here, holding people car, and
selling CDs, soliciting?
Yeah, and look, we have on the door there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the manager? Does she want to press charges?
I don't know, Tom.
All right.
Let me ask him.
Hey, is this him, buddy? You know what? You know who I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Is that him?
Yeah, yeah.
That's him?
Yeah.
You lied to me again, dog. Hey, my thing is it's always better to do something because we get a lot of people that don't, you know, yeah, I just wanted to leave. We tell them to leave. 10 minutes later, they're coming right back. And then they don't call. That's what I'm saying. So if they keep coming back, mainly what they're doing is they're hanging out around the store trying to get dope.
Yeah, basically.
So if y'all have any other issues or anything, y'all just don't be afraid to call, okay? All right, Tom. Hey, I got you, Tom, all right? I didn't understand a word he said.
Yeah, that's the wrong guy.
That's the wrong one. He's gonna buy that baked chicken.
Yeah, he
How come he's telling me that that's him? How come the security guard's telling me that's him?
What I told him that call one.
That's not him? I asked you if that was him.
Yeah, but I didn't see good in.
Okay, that's fine. Which one is he? Because he wasn't over here when I got here.
Yeah, he was just he was standing here, and as you pull up, he walk and he go. You see where that woman is right there?
Uh-huh.
He went there, and the woman walked over there. So the 2 of them Yes, shift. So I thought you had.
Well, he's the one that walked that way,
No,
and then
no.
they were both looking. But what about the woman in the purple with the purple pants?
She was here. And
With him?
The white T-shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She was with him.
Oh yeah, she is the one in trouble.
Hey, where's that guy that was with you? Where's that guy that was with you over here?
Nobody went with me.
Yes, I was with you. And you can't play that game with me.
It was you and your friend, I guess.
Here on the he just went over there.
No, well, nobody went.
You could say what you want.
Hey, watch your foot, okay? I don't want to hit it. Watch your foot, man. Okay. All right. Hey, what is it? What's he wearing?
He's going to be over there, but if he here over there and he see you over here and you get he won't come back now.
Okay, what's he wearing?
He's wearing a black top, black pants, and he have a red.
Hey, you can let him go.
I thought you said that was him at first.
Yes.
No, when he came up here and I looked inside there, I thought, sorry man.
Sorry,
That's not him.
I heard.
The woman here, the other guys together.
Hey, how long both of them were here and y'all warned them?
She was here.
And you told her
he
to
was
leave
here.
and she wouldn't leave?
Oh no, they didn't want to go nowhere.
She was just flicking?
When she just moved off a little bit, and as soon as you come up,
That's when she walked
that's
away?
when she walked a little before he. And as you turn up, he was standing there and he see you, and he just. And what I was trying to tell, look at him going there.
Oh, did he went inside the store?
No, I don't know where he slipped, but he probably went with this guy he was supposed to be. But I'll apologize to him, because he's okay.
Okay.
And listen, I compliment you guys, man. You know that make me feel,
Appreciate it.
Man, I compliment you fellas for coming, because sometimes you call and sometimes police come late.
Yeah.
But this was nice. All right.
Hey, I told you I believe you, right? All right.
I like that. Yeah, but she was the one that didn't win. She has CD on she. When you check, she'll get CD on.
She's got CDs on it?
So who had the CD?
She did? She didn't have any on it.
She had nothing on. She was just selling it all the time. She just went to jail last week.
Why are you over here?
She just went to jail last week.
Come on, Miss Heslip. Can't help it if we wanted to. You got it? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go to door number 3 over here.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.